1. People who don't talk much fall into two extremes. They're either genuinely simple or deep as they come. 2. Those who dislike bothering others typically don't enjoy being bothered themselves. 3. Those who often avoid eye contact are battling internal insecurities or hiding something. 4. Those who love to whine and complain don't like anyone else's opinions. 5. If a quiet person suddenly becomes talkative, they are surrounded by people they like. If a talkative person suddenly becomes silent, they may have encountered difficulties. 6. The less authoritative a person is, the more likely they are to resort to anger to solve problems. 7. People who speak in a calm and composed manner often possess strong inner strength. 8. People who are quick to judge or criticize others often project their own insecurities onto someone else.